Hi there mga beloved yung soulmate. Welcome to Renzo Tara Channel. Andito lang po yung lingkod para bigyan ka ng isang soulful, meaningful letter reading dito lamang po sa inyong lagi na pangalan sinusubay pa yan na Renzo Tara Channel. May kayo shoutout po sa lahat ng soulmate sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo lagi nanonood nakabang. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Ang ating pong reading ngayon na sasamahan na isang general reading para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Libra. Okay, Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. This is for you. So sa ating mga TikTok viewers, so kapag nagustuhan niyo po, don't forget to like, share, repost, and of course, don't forget to follow our what is this? Our account. And also, dito sa YouTube, kapag nagustuhan niyo po, don't forget to comment, like, share, and of course, don't forget to subscribe our channel. To those who want to avail our personal reading, huwag po kayo mahiya na mag-DM po sa ating TikTok account. Sige? Kunin na natin ang iyong 10 baraha Libra. Huwag na natin patagalin pa ito. For your general reading, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Ten Cards, please for our general reading for Libra. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're healthy and safe. And of course, you're happy. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal simula noon hanggang ngayon. Ay hindi nyo po ako iniiwan. You're there. So, thank you so much po. Saan man po makarating, ang Renzo Tarot Channel ay utang na loob ko po sa inyo. So, last 2 cards for you, Libra. Holy Spirit. So, okay. So, Libra, your 10 cards are now complete. Huwag na nating patagalin pa because I know that you're so excited. Okay. Libra, let's begin your general reading with an opening card here, the Empress. So, I can see here, Libra, that like, you're kind of Libra daw ngayon na parang sobrang, I can say not only physically na blooming, but I know even inside, I can feel her na parang ang laki ng pinagbago, ng transformation ng iyong personality, ng iyong pagkatao. Kasi lately siguro may mga Libra na parang nagsuffer sa mga stress, anxiety, or parang discomfort about how they feel and how they think. But this one with this Empress card, I can see her Libra na parang it's a new kind of Libra. It's like parang fresh feeling for you na parang you feel something good. Okay? Nararamdaman niyo na parang something good, something big is about to come. With this Empress card, I can see here na babalik yung pagiging blooming mo physically also. So parang muli mong aalagaan ang iyong sarili, muli ka mag-aayos, parang ganun. So it's like, if you want to gain weight, parang muli kayong tataba, or if you want to lose weight, magja-jogging kayo, mag-gym ulit kayo. Any kind of transformation physically and inside. Okay? So Libra, this is a good thing kasi parang bumabawi kayo ngayon sa sarili niyo. So, Libra, yung pangalawang baraha is Eight of Cups. I can see here na parang ang dami-dami niyo pa talagang gustong ma-accomplish, Libra. Ang dami-daming mga tumatakbo sa isipan mo, mga plano mo, gusto mong mangyari. So Libra, I can see here, kung tutuusin, marami na raw kayong napatunayan, marami na kayong na-accomplish, rewards and recognitions with all of these trophies at the background. But if you can see here, so titingnan mo mabuti, Libra, parang hindi pa rin kayo tumitigil. You're unstoppable kind of person na talagang malayo, malawak, matayog ang iyong pangarap. At ang daming-dami pang gustong ma-accomplish. Okay? So ito yon. Patuloy kang nagsisearch, patuloy kang naghahanap. You're still finding yourself also. It's like a soul searching. And at the same time, itong talagang path na gustong-gusto mo or pangarap mo ay talagang hindi mo tinitigilan hanggat hindi mo ito nakukuha or natutupad. Tama ba, Libra? So, pangatlo mong baraha I have here, the Three of Cups. This is a beautiful card because this is a celebration card. Okay, Libra, if you're waiting for something, for a result, if you're waiting for a good news, for a positive result, siguro exam, promotion, visa processing, o kung ano man yan, so expect a good result because this is a celebration card. So with the Three of Cups, so expect a celebration in the upcoming days and months ahead for you, Libra. So just chill, don't be anxious, be patient in waiting, and at the same time have the discipline of trusting everything to the universe at sa Panginoon. But I can see here a big celebration for you, Libra. Okay? So, congratulations in advance. Ang apat mong baraha is the strength. Be still. Huwag mawala ng pag-asa, maging matapang, lakasan ang loob. The universe will be guiding you, will be protecting you every day. Bibigyan ka ng lakas araw-araw. At hindi ka papabayaan sa bawat araw na gumigising ka. So just go on. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to take risks. Don't be afraid to show up and stand on your feet Kasi ganyan talaga ang buhay. But adversity comes, kung may mga problema mong dumating, you should remember that all of these things are just a test. Okay, just a, kumbaga, tinetest ka lang ng universe on how, until when are you going to give up? Until when? Okay, ang what is this? Pinaka main goal nitong mga test is how uh, it's not only kumbaga kung susuko pa tayo or but the learnings that we can gain with the, kung paano natin haharapin ang problema, paano natin isa-solve. Of course, kapag nalagpasan natin ang lahat ng ito is, what is this, the maturity and of course, the big transformation na mangyayari sa buhay mo after all those struggles. With this strength card, Libra, you are advised to be strong, be courageous, wag matakot. Okay? Panindigan. At the same time, don't let doubts and fears occupy your heart and yung pag-iisip mo kasi talagang you're a very strong person also. And of course, with this strength card, the universe is telling you that you're being guided and protected. Okay? So, your fifth card is Two of Swords. So, I can see her decision making na parating or parang kasalukuyan mong sitwasyon. You are in a situation that you're going to make a big decision. Maybe this is about career-wise or money, business or whatsoever. But this is a good card for me kasi even though this is a decision making, this is a good problem for you, Libra. Bakit? Kasi magde-decide ka sa isang opportunity na magbubukas sa'yo or nagbukas na sa'yo because here are the islets, yung mga isla sa likod. So may bagong opportunity na darating or mag-open for you. So you need discernment, you need wise decision, but ask for the guidance. Pray, meditate, and ask for the signs sa Panginoon, sa universe, at i-guide ka din. But I can see here that there's a big decision regarding a big milestone. It's like, a blessing, a new opportunity that will be opening on your doors. So, think 100 times, okay? But pray for it. Bibigyan ka ng maliwanag na pag-iisip ng Universe, Libra. Okay? So, before we continue to our last 5 cards, sa ating second row, Libra. So, kapag nagustuhan nyo po, don't forget to comment, like, and share. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. And of course, kung napanood nyo to sa TikTok, huwag po kayo mahiyang i-repost, i-share kapag nakaresonate kayo. Mag-comment po kayo. And of course, don't forget to follow our account. And also, if you want to avail our personal reading, mag-DM lang po kayo, pag-usapan po natin. Let's continue, Libra, ang iyong general reading with a Four of Wands. May mga Libra talaga na ikakasal. May mga Libra ako nakikita na nag-expect ng pregnancy, mabubuntis this year with the Empress and celebration. So, maybe after the wedding or maybe siguro, if you are planning to get pregnant this year, this is the best time. May nakikita ako nagpa-plano or mabubuntis this year. I can see her also wedding celebration, anniversary celebration. It's all about happiness. It's all about a big celebration regarding a milestone within family or like, a relationship or partnership. So, I'm so happy for you, Libra. Tingnan natin. So, we have here the Page of Cups. So, this is a harvest season. Tingnan mo yung katapat niya is the Eight of Cups. Sinabi ko kanina dito, di ba? Na parang you're unstoppable. You don't stop searching for more. Hindi ka tumitigil kasi malayo or malawak at matayog ang pangarap mo. And with this Page of Cups, magbubunga ang lahat ng paghihirap mo because this is a harvest season. Look at these waves. Ito yung mga hardships na pagdadaanan mo for your quest of success. But tatandaan mo na kung ano man ang pagdaanan mo on the way with these dreams that you are dreaming of, ay may Page of Cups dito. It means that you are guaranteed that you will be emerging victorious or panalo and kumbaga tagumpay kasi you're holding the cup, the trophy, may laman pa siya na fish. So it means hindi lang siya tagumpay but it's an abundance, overflowing of abundance kasi nga sabi ko harvest season. Hindi ka tumigil, grabeng sipag mo, talagang nilaban mo ang pangarap mo. With this one, talagang pinanindigan mo ito, talagang nilaban mo itong pangarap mo. And with this Page of Cups, you were going to harvest all the fruits of this labor na talagang dugot, pawis ang pinuhunan mo. There will be a time that you're going to reap all the benefits, reap all the hard work and hardships na talagang you faced. And there are a lot of painful situations, experiences na pinagdaanan ka. But with this Page of Cups, believe me, Libra, the time of harvest will be coming to you in universe perfect time. But believe me, you are assured of harvest season. Okay? So, I can see her King of Wands. So, be mindful, grow up, kumbaga, tama ng parang pagiging isip bata, what I mean. Parang childish mindset na sa mga desisyon, sa mga ginagawa mo, sa mga salitang binibitawan, be matured na, mag-grow up ka na daw, Libra. Kasi this is not the time sa panahon ngayon na parang petex-petex na lang tayo, parang dinadaan mo na lang lahat ng bagay o problema sa parang cool. No, walang problema dyan. But if it needs a decisive action, so kailangan mo talaga mag-step up at harapin ito nang matured ang pag-iisip. Kasi hindi to parang usapang bata or laro-laro lang. So, you need to grow up. You need to be mature, not only physically, but especially your mind. Kasi darating ang panahon na kailangan mo talaga mag-decision on your own. And Libra, believe me, if you are matured, if you have grown up, o ka talaga yung mindset mo ay na-recalibrate mo into a matured one, easy na lang sa iyong lahat. Hindi ka mahihirapan. Okay? So, it is necessary for you to go out with your comfort zone and at least experience the reality of life sa labas ng mundo. Okay, kasi hindi pwedeng dyan ka na lang eh. Parang feeling mo kasi okay naman ang lahat, andyan naman magulang mo, parang may maganda naman sitwasyon mo. You don't need to kumbaga, i-level up ang iyong sarili. Libra, you are being advised. It is necessary, napaka-importante na kailangan mo talagang mag-grow up na or mag-mature. Okay? So, we have here a big celebration. Ten of Cups is a big celebration. This is a big milestone talaga. Hindi lang to isang simpleng celebration. But look, all the members of the family, sinabi ko nga, maybe may magbubuntis, and new members of the family ang parating. Maybe may ikakasal, so maybe magba-branch out ng business, may makakapasa, napaka-importanteng exam or whatsoever. So, it's not only you, Libra, ang celebrate, but it's the whole family members, the whole community, your friends, and all the people that loves you and that value you ay talagang magse-celebrate. Okay? So, cheer up. So, big surprise, a big blessing is coming on your way. Ihanda mo ang sarili mo. Tapusin natin itong napakagandang general reading mo, Libra, with your 10th and last card. So, ang daming pera. 10 of Pentacles, nagkalat ang kapirahan. My flow of abundance for you in terms of finances. Believe me, Libra. Panghawakan mo to, mag-comment ka, I claim it, kiniklaim ito. Alam mo kung bakit? Ang katapat niya ay 2 of sword. Ito yung sinasabi ko, may big decision making ka na gagawin. But sabi ko nga, di ba, it's all about a new opportunity that will be opening on your door kasi may isla na lilitaw. So, magde-decide ka. At kung ano man yung mapagdidesisyonan mo, natatanggapin mo or papasukin mo, will yield a positive result regarding money. So, magbubunga, magpo-flow ang lahat, pera ang aagos sa'yo. Yung decision making na gagawin mo ay maaring yan ay ang magiging game changer ng buhay mo. Especially kung pera ang problema mo, so expect stability, abundance, and prosperity in your life in the soonest time, Libra. I-claim ito, believe in the power of the universe ang Panginoon. So, I'm wishing you all the best, Libra. Maraming salamat sa inyong muling pagsama sa ating reading. I hope and I pray na marami nasa sign ng Libra ang makaparod ito ngayon. And hanggang sa susunod nating pagsasama. Maraming salamat. Mag-iingat po kayo lagi. And God bless us all.